This simple storybook for kids has made over $560,000 passive income. In today's video, I'll show you how you can start similar business, starting from generating book idea, the main content, and high-quality illustrations images, and all of that, you can do with the help of AI technology. So if you are interested in making passive income, sit back, relax and keep watching this video until the end, because this video contains valuable information, which you will not find anywhere. I came across this idea while searching potential passive income ideas on Amazon for my businesses, then I found this product, which is a storybook for kids. You might say, okay, what's interesting about it? But after doing my research, I was shocked by the numbers these sellers make by selling these storybooks. This simple storybook got 14,527 ratings, that means, number of sales should be at least 3 times of number of ratings. So, if you multiply the book price, that is 12.99 by the number of sales, you will see that the seller has made over $560,000 by selling only one simple storybook alone. You will see many similar storybooks with huge number of ratings. Craziest thing is that you can also publish these books using Amazon KDP 100% free. Then I said, why not to create similar book using ChatGPT and publish on Amazon and generate passive income while sleeping. So I decided to make this video to help as many people as possible. As you know that, to create a storybook, first you need to come up with good story idea. So I asked chatbot to generate title for a storybook related to kids. And I got number of titles options to choose and start the next process. If you don't like the titles, you can always retry until you find the best title for you. I like the 5th one, The Lost Puppy Big Adventure, and it came out that the book is for kids between 3 to 8 years old. And it is about a small mischievous puppy named Max who got lost, met with new friends, faced challenges, learned lessons and back to his family. I really liked the idea, so I decided to move on with this one. The next step was to create the story outline. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes the scenes and details. Chapter 1, Max's mischievous escape. Chapter 2, meeting new friends. Chapter 3, facing obstacles. Chapter 4, finding clues. And Chapter 5, reuniting with family. Now we have generated story outline, we can start creating the actual story content based on all chapters. All you need to copy the each chapter one by one starting from the chapter 1, and paste it to chatbox and set the prompt to write a rhythm story for this chapter. Once it's done, read it, and if you don't like the results, you can always regenerate the answers until you're satisfied. Then I did the same to all chapters, and it only took few minutes to realize that I now had a complete story, ready to convert it into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything myself. If you think about it, it's crazy how fast we came up with story idea and all the chapters along with the story content. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. If you enjoyed the video so far, please hit the like button. We all know that even if you have the best story with you, it won't be good enough without illustrations. And here you could easily pay thousands of dollars for artists to finish the illustrations, but what if I tell you that all images you see on screen were generated using an AI art generator for 100% free? Let me show you how you can generate high-quality original images by typing some words with the help of AI tool. And this is I did to finish my first chapter of the story. One of the best AI tool I found is MidJourney, which provides the best experience, and you can try it free by using link below in the description. Once you have joined their Discord server, you can see all recently generated images by users. To generate your image, you need to start a prompt first, type / and then, imagine. Once you do that, you can start explaining the image you want to generate. Go back to story chapter you've generated before, and copy the first one. In my case it was introducing Max and his family. Now we know the image we want to create, so again we type / then imagine, and then your chapter topic. After the image has finished generating, 2 rows of buttons will appear. As you can see in the top row, U1, U2, U3, and U4. These buttons are for upscaling your chosen image, which means generating a larger version of it, in the bottom row V1, V2, V3, and V4. These buttons create 4 new variations similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. So if you click U1, it will upscale the first image, and clicking V1 will create new variations of the first image. In my case, I like the second image U2, so I clicked on U2 to make it bigger. To save the image, right-click and then open the link. After that, right-click again to save it to your device. Let's create a second image of the chapter. Copy the second line, Max escaped from the yard and goes on an adventure. But to keep the same style as the first image, you just have to copy the image link first and start the prompt, and paste the link before explaining the new image. That way you can maintain the same style. I like the first version, so I clicked U1 to upscale. Then I did the same to all images, and in about 30 minutes, I had the illustrations ready to use. I can't repeat the process for all the chapters because the video will be too long, but you get the idea. Start section by section and generate images based on your story topic. Now we have generated the images. Let me show you how to combine text generated using ChatGPT with the images generated using MidJourney to create a professional-looking storybook. First, head to canva.com and search for storybook. Then click on Create a blank storybook. After that, start by uploading the AI-generated images to Canva. Then you can simply drag and drop your first image into the template. Now go to ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story and paste it on top of your image. You can adjust the text as you like. You can change the color, font style, add shadows, and more. I like the Canva because it's beginner-friendly and doesn't require any design skills. When you're done, click here to duplicate the template. Doing that will save you a lot of time. Now you can add the new image and the text, while the style remains the same. After that, you all need to do is replicate the process in all the chapters of your book. Once you're done, save the book as a PDF print. Congratulations, you've created the first storybook successfully, and only one step left to start making passive income, which is publishing your book on Amazon. Unfortunately, I won't be able to explain the entire process because video will be too long. But you understood the whole process. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.